Hello everyone, I'm ArcBlock engineer. My name is Nate. I will do a talk about ABT Wallet for you. ABT Wallet, the key to the decentralized world. Firstly, I want to talk about our misunderstanding to wallet. 1. My assets is in my wallet. Actually, assets is on the chain. The wallet just a tool to display your chain assets. By the way, our ABT wallet is a decentralized wallet, so we have no asset custody relationship with user. The second, can return the asset by customer service. Transaction on chain, nothing can be changed, is a key point of blockchain. So user need carefully check the receive address before send. User also can do a small number transfer before finally transfer. Our ABT wallet already supports save contact, which will help user confirm the address is correct easily. I can find my password back by customer service. Actually, we cannot do that because most wallets are decentralized. User keep a private key by themselves. So user need to keep code A and code B in safe place. Numeric word is in normal digital wallet. ABT wallet did some optimize for numeric word save feature. We split the numeric word 1 to 2. So if we lost one part of them, will not result in loss of your assets. But the complete preservation work still needs the user to do well. Now, why we need the wallet? There are three main reasons. It is the tool help us manage the secret key. On-chain transfer, sign, or verify operation cannot live with it. It is a portable blockchain explorer. User can use it via blockchain data anytime and anywhere. The last, it is a DApp store. User experience DApp cannot leave it. So, what is wallet? As we see, on the left, I believe anyone have a real world wallet. We use it to store our cash, ID cards, bank cards, or membership cards. To the world of blockchain, our digital assets are all on the chain, so we need a software tool to help us manage our assets on chain. On the right part is our ABT Wallet logo. We can use it do bunch of things, such like store our on-chain assets, store our DID profile, store our verified credentials. Like the real-world wallet, our ABT wallet do the similar things, just that everything it keeps is digital assets on the chain. Let's talk about the wallet types. The following picture is some mainstream hardware wallet appearance and the software icons. The picture show This picture is show our ABT wallet, token wallet, and the MetaMask wallet. We can see the major feature of the wallet is to display our on-chain asset numbers. Okay, let's continue. About hardware wallet. It looks like a USB device as we see before. Hardware wallet is used to store user private key and it is disconnected from internet. So when we want to use it, we need to plug it to our computer and use it. How about software wallet? Software wallet is more popular than hardware wallet because it is easier to get from App Store or Google Play. No need to buy a hardware device. Just go to the App Store or Google Play, do some download, and open it and init it. So then we can use it. There are so many different software wallets right now. User can use it to do such things. First, store provide key. The second, manage account anytime and anywhere. The third, easy to use. What is decentralized wallet? When we talk about a decentralized wallet, we need to discuss something about centralized wallet. Some wallet prefer user centralized server to help user store their private key. These wallets seems to have better user experience, but it is not safe to store your private key in others' server. So many people, the mainstream wallets are decentralized, just like ABT Wallet, Token Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, and so on. Let the user keep their private key more in line with the idea of blockchain. There are 4 properties of decentralized wallet. The first, private key controlled by the user. The second, assets are managed by the user. The 3, free transfer, no audit required. The 4, user need to keep the password by themselves. Okay, let's talk about the Match Identity Wallet. Firstly, we see 2 pictures. The first one is about non-identity wallet, how to interact with the app. When user use a non-identity wallet, use this type of wallet interact with the app. If user do not create different address for different apps, every app will figure out the user login history. Now this picture shows our identity wallet. The identity wallet will create a DID address for different app. So every app is independent, can protect user privacy better. For more identity details, welcome to join our next part, Decentralized Identity. ABT Wallet is the first wallet implementing the W3C DID standards. We have created a bunch of apps by DID. User can use ABT Wallet, experience them right now. So let's experience the ABT Wallet right now. Firstly, let's init a new ABT Wallet. In the right part of the screen is our new ABT Wallet. As we see, the first part is create a new wallet and start experiencing your digital world in your way. The second part is if you have a wallet already, you can use backup file or recover codes to recover a wallet. Now we should do a create a wallet. When I touch the create a wallet button, I enter this page. This page let us create a password. This password have some features like unlock your wallet, like confirm your activities, such as transfer, exchange, do swap. This password is also be used to back up your data or some other settings. Let's create this password. Double check. Let's go to next. If your device supports fingerprint, ABT Wallet will let you use your fingerprint to do easy unlock and easy verify. Let's set it. Okay, let's go to next page. In this page, we'll need us to create our first profile. This profile will be used to interact with our apps. So we create one. My name is Nate. Choose a photo. Input my email. Then input my phone number. Okay, let's enter wallet. As we see, we enter the wallet right now. But at the bottom of the wallet, we see a dialog show you haven't set up your wallet recovery. So we should set it. What does it mean? In normal digital wallet, also need us to set a mnemonic word to set up the wallet. But in ABT Wallet, we do it have a different way. Firstly, we show two recover methods. The first is basic recover. Use code A and code B. The basic recover allows you to rebuild your wallet by connecting your applications and reloading your properties. And the other way is full recovery. Use backup file. The backup file is created by ABT Wallet. We will see in the next steps. Let's start. In this page, it lets us create code A and save code B. The code B is created by the wallet. The code A needs us to import. We import code A. The code A plus code B equals normal digital wallet mnemonic words. So let's go to next. Now, I have already set up my wallet, and the ABT Wallet will let us do the first backup, fully backup. So we do it right now. We check our fingerprint. Now after check pass, we'll get a notice. I have backed up my new wallet in this file. Okay, let's back home page. Wait a moment. Okay, as we see, when I finish setup, we'll show a welcome page. The welcome page will recommend the app to users. This the apps is created by our ArcBlock, so we add it and exploit. Start word tool. As we see, the 2D app has in my apps list, and back to the home page, the setup notice dialog is missing. So we have init our wallet successfully. After init our ABT Wallet, we can try scan the QR code and do login at the app. Let's do it right now. This Explorer open a the app, which is our playground the app. This the app is created by our ArcBlock to explore what can ABT Wallet do and what can our ArcBlock chain framework do. Let's scan the QR code and sign in. After scanning the QR code, will show us some contents. On the top of the page, in the wallet, shows the DApp name and the DApp logo. Then it shows the DApp need a profile which we have created before. It need our name and email. Let's sweep to confirm. After confirm, we can see accounts tab have already disappeared in my wallet. And a new card has been created. It is a PlayChain wallet account, and now the play token is 0. Let's go to see some detail. We can see this is a DID card. We can click touch in and see our DID address. In the left part, we can go to Playground web profile page. Check our DID address. Now we can see the two DID address in my wallet and in the web is the same. So I have used my wallet login the app, and my name is Nate and my email is this. So at this point, we have successfully scanned to login the app. Let's try next steps. Now let's try do a transfer. Transfer is a normal operation on chain. We can transfer everything to other address like token, assets. Firstly, we try to these transfer servers. We send one play to application, but before we do it, as we see our token number is 0, so we get random play from the click this button. We scan the QR code. We'll see the content sign foreign text to get a random play for test. I will get some play token for do some test. Okay, scan is success and my wallet account has been changed. I have got 7.8423 play tokens. When touch in to see the account detail, we can see the transfer history list has been added a one item. This item shows this account give me this give me 4.8423 play tokens. Now we can do a transfer. Let's go to transfer service and click send one play to application. Let's scan the QR code and do confirm. In the confirm page, we can see please pay one play to the application and show I will send token one play token. Let's swipe and to confirm. Check our fingerprint. Think past. We can see the transaction is pending. After a second, it has been success. Let's go back home page. We can see our balance is changed and touch into the detail. We can see a new transfer history has been added to the list. This transfer is created by our playground, but in our normal life, we often want to transfer our tokens to our friend or some others. So what can I do with this section? When do this, we need to get a QR code of the other's address. Let's go to our blockchain explorer. Let's open this link. We can open Playground Chain Explorer. Let's wait a moment. Okay, we successfully open it, and we can see the chain is playground, and this has bunch of transactions and a bunch of blocks. Scroll to this zero, we can see the top accounts on this chain. In this test, I will transfer some tokens to the top one account. Even it has already been the richest account on the chain. We scan the QR code by our wallet. And now we got this page. This page is show scan result. We can see this. We scan the QR code and got this address. We can click to copy it, and have two buttons in the bottom of the card. Is send or add it as our contact. We do send. When enter the send page, we can see we will use our play account and which has 6.8423 play tokens. Send to this account. We come since we send one token to it. Let's send and check our fingerprint. Single success. Let's wait a moment and refresh it. We can see a few seconds ago, our one play token has been sent to him. We can see the sender address is LKK. We can check our address. Yes, it's me. I have sent one play token to him, and this date is beloaded on the chain. Okay, we have already finished the transfer test. Let's try another. Now let's try exchange. Exchange is a normal operation in our real world life. We exchange something by another thing. On the chain, we can do this operation easily. Like we can buy one lock ticket with one play token. We click it and use our wallet to scan the QR code. Now wait a moment in the wallet. We will confirm the exchange. We can see I will receive the ticket looks like this, and I will send the one play token. Let's swipe to confirm. Let's check our fingerprint. After check success, our transaction is sending, and then it has been success. Now we can see our play token is be changed, and add a new tab on the home page. It is tickets, which shows our ticket. This ticket is on chain, and I can check it from the detail page. At the right top, we can click in. This will open our Blockchain Explorer. Wait a moment. We can see this knock ticket play is an asset on the chain, and now the owner is mine, LKK, the address is ended by LKK. Okay, so I have got a on-chain ticket. Wow, it's so cool. After try exchange, we will do an atomic swap. Before we do atomic swap, I prefer do some explain. The algorithm ensures that both parties can exchange assets conform to atomic operations between the same or two blockchain frameworks without the need for a custodian. By the way, the purchase of the DevCon VIP ticket was made by an atomic swap on the same chain. Now let's try do an atomic swap between two chains. Let's back to our playground. As we see, I only have one account in our ABT Wallet for play chain, so I need to add a TBA account on TBA chain. We scan the QR code and get around TBA and create a TBA account at the same time. We can see I have get some random TBA tokens, and the tokens is already in my wallet. So we can try cross-chain currency sellers. I will sell 1 TBA for 5 play token. So we in the wallet, we will see our play token and TBA token will do changes after I do the atomic swap. Let's do it. After scan the QR code, we enter the swap confirm page. It shows me I will receive token 5 play. The 0 is 8, and I will send 1 TBA token, and my buyer and the atomic swap will be locked to this height. Let's swipe to confirm. Check our fingerprint. Wait for a moment. Okay, let's go to the 4-tab transactions and the status tracking. We can see this atomic swap is changed from in progress to finished. Let's go back to the home page. We can see our play and TBA tokens has been changed. We can see the TBA token has been sent 1 TBA and the play token has received 5 play token. Okay, the atomic swap is finished. Let's try next. Let's get an NFT certificate on chain. On-chain AFT is a cool thing, which will let us do bunch of ideas. Such in this series, I will get an NFT certificate. By this, I will buy 1 lock certificate with 1 play. Let's do it. After scan, also into the confirm page, we can see I will receive a ticket like looks like this. It's so cool with golden bottles. And I will send the 1 play token. Let's sweep to confirm. After confirm, I will go to the pending page. Okay, the status is changed to success. Let's check it. As we can see, the home page has added a tab called certificates. Let's sweep to it. Okay, the ticket created has been shown and we can check it on chain. Wait for a moment. As we see, on chain this NFT certificate is real and the owner is actually me. So this is a real debt on chain. Let's do next. Let's get an NFT badge on chain. Badge is a cool thing. Let's get it. Okay, I will buy 1 lock badge with 1 play. Scan the QR code. Confirm in the wallet. Let's wait a moment. You can see I will get this badge. Looks like this. Wow, it's so cool. 1% badge. Let's swipe to confirm. After confirm, also enter the pending page. Let's wait a moment. Okay, success. Let's swipe to refresh. Okay, let's swipe. We can see the badge is already in my wallet, and we touch to go into the detail page, and we click see big view. Wow, this page is 1% page, 100% page. Okay, and we also can check it on chain. As we can see, this page is also an NFT asset on the chain. It's a real debt on chain, okay? And the owner is also LKK. It's me. So we finish get a NFT page on chain. Let's do next. Let's get an AFT ticket on chain. Let's find, okay, in this part, I prefer buy one log ticket for free. I don't want to give it any money. I just scan and we'll get the ticket. Wait for a moment. Let's do a refresh. Okay, I have got 2 tickets. The first one is by 0 tokens. Free, okay, it's for free. Next, I will do a verifiable credential demo, but before it, I will do some explain. What is verifiable credential? They are nodes of real-life zeros that prove you are you, which blockchain tech, with blockchain tech and encryption algorithms. This problem can be easily solved. A blockchain framework already supports create verifiable credentials and verify it. The NFT asset on the chain can be used as a verifiable credential. Please see the demo below. We can see in our ABT Wallet, we have got certificate, 2 tickets, 1 badge. We can verify it. Let's verify create certificate first. We scan the QR code and provide our certificate to the DApp. The DApp will check the certificate owner. If it is not me, it will show the error. If all data passed, it will show success. Let's check. Okay, we can see certificate has been verified. So the DApp check pass. Let's verify another. Verify our ticket. We provide a ticket. Everyone is okay. We use the second one and swipe to confirm. Okay. Ticket also has been verified. The DApp will check all the ticket dates and check a bunch of things such as the issues, the signatures, and the owners. Where all is okay and where all things are okay, this will be passed. Let's verify the page. Okay, I will provide my badge to the DApp and swipe to confirm. Okay, the DApp will do some confirm. We can see the badge has been verified. So we can see every NFT asset on the chain I have received before is also a verified credential. This is what our ArcBlock has been done. People will see all your NFT assets can be checked. If it is a fake verified credential, so we can check it. Let's go to next. In this part, I will get a fake issue VC. This issue is fake, so I scan and get a credential. This credential is issued by a fake issue. So when I do consume email VC to verify, this will not be provided because the wallet has checked the data, the VC data, and find the issue is not match, so the data will be not provided to the DApp. Even this data will pass to the DApp. The DApp will verify the issue and the user signature. Also, it will not pass. So we can see a fake verified credential will not passed by the DApp or by the ABT wallet. At this point, this simple experience flow of the ABT wallet is over. In fact, ABT wallet can do a lot of chain operations and classify the data on the chain. Whether you are a normal user exploring the blockchain world or a developer preparing to develop the apps based on our blockchain framework, ABT Wallet is an important tool for you. Thank you.